If you're having this kind of issue on WhatsApp, when you try to video call, WhatsApp says record video node. So what is the solution? Let's fix this issue in just a minute. So what you have to do first of all is you have to open up the settings of your phone. Whether you are on iPhone or Android, it works absolutely the same on both of the devices. And after that, you have to go to the apps folder, which may be found under the settings. And after that, you have to scroll through this page and scroll more to the end until you find WhatsApp. So you have to tap on WhatsApp, and here next to the camera, if this button is turned off, you have to simply turn this button on, and this will allow camera access to WhatsApp. And if your microphone is also turned off, you have to turn it on. Make sure that your microphone and camera buttons are turned on. Now try to make a video call and this should work. But if you are still having issues, then you have to open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android, and go to the search button and search here WhatsApp and hit the search button. And when the WhatsApp app appears up, you have to tap on it and update your WhatsApp application by tapping on this little update button right here. Updating the WhatsApp application fixes 90% of the issues. So give the camera access to WhatsApp in the settings and update your WhatsApp, and then let me know if WhatsApp is still saying record video node. Hope it helps. Thank you so much.